We're on April 11th, 2024. Tyler Hayes here. 2034, a little bit south of Ladysmith. At mile 350.1. Southbound is here. Check them out on the roll by. I was leaning back to get them. Tier 4 to lead it. 3066. Second slot. B790. B790 41. The night started at Capitol Yard in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada. It's going to head to the Indiana Herd Belt to go down to nutrient potash in Hammond, Indiana. This should be coming with the rear DPU. There it is. The last of it. And I'll do it for the B741, excuse me, 90, 41 of the night. I'll do it for this video south of Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great night. See you next time, and I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.